How to add follow button on Facebook page. So in order to do that, you need to first switch to your Facebook page. Let's head over and click on this right here in order to switch to our page. We have in here update tutorials, which is our page right here. So let's switch to that particular profile. Once you have switched to that profile, what you can do next is just head over and then skip this particular tutorial. So I'll head over and then just skip on this. And then once I have done that, we can see in here our page. So what we can do is we can head over right here and then just click on this right here onto our timeline. Then click on these three dots. From in there, you can see this edit option. So just head over and click on this edit. And then you can see this. So what you can do is you can just scroll down. You can see here the details, the links, and a lot more. So you can actually head over and then put in here an actual link or an actual button by just editing your page info. So this serves as your actual button. So let's head over here again onto our edit. We have in here the details, highlights, and a lot more. Click on this edit your about info. We have in this category, contact, and a lot more like this one. So we have in here as well our page transparency and a lot more. So what we can do is we can head over and then make sure that we have in here our basic info and as well as a pages we live in. So you can also edit in here your category as well as your service area. So once you have done that, just head over and click on this add services and then just add it all together. So that's how you add follow button on Facebook page. Hope we help.